Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In the previous session, we ended on question number 68. So here we start with question number 69. Cool. The question says find the value of y in the diagram above. Okay, so we need to find y, and we know that the sum of angles at a point add up to 360. So when we add everything here, we should get what? 360. Cool. All right. So that means when we have 78 plus 7y plus 3 plus 5y plus 15 plus 10y should give us what? 360. Okay, so let's add the y terms. We have 7y plus 5y, that's 12y. Then plus 10y, that will give us 22y. So we have 22y plus, we have 78 here, plus 3 should give us 81, plus 15 should give us 96, right? That should give us 96. So we have 96 plus 360. So let's group like terms. We have 360 minus 96. 22y should give us what? 264. Okay, so we cancel with 22. We have our y to be equal to 12. Okay, cool, which is B. All right, cool. Let's move on to question number 70. The question says find the sum of interior angles of a 15-sided polygon. So we know the formula is what? 180 and minus 2. Okay, this is the sum of what? Interior angles. Cool. So we know that our n is equal to the number of sides, and here we've been given as what? 15. So we just input 180, 15 minus 2, that will give us 180 times 13. And when you use your calculator, you find out that this multiplication gives us 2340. Okay, cool. So answer is what? A. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 71. Okay, the question says in the diagram PSR is 22. Okay, SPQ is 58 and angle PQR is 41. So we should find the obtuse angle QRS. So we want to find this angle. Okay, so let's assume that that angle is what? X. Okay, now that if this angle is x, then this angle right here will be what? 360 minus x, because the whole circle should give us what? 360. So this here should give us 360 minus this x. Okay, cool. So let's write it. 360 minus x. Okay, so now, and then we have this diagram to be of what? 4 sides. So in order to find x, we need to find what? The sum of angles in this polygon. And we know it is 4-sided, right? So we can use our formula 180 n minus 2 to be equal to the sum, okay, which is 58 plus 41 plus 22 plus 360 minus x. And we've been given, we know that the side n here is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 180 4 minus 2 equals this will give us 58 plus 41 should give us that will be 99, right? 99 plus 22 should give us 111. Okay, so we have 111 plus, okay, let's simplify this first. We have 360 minus x plus 58 plus 41 plus 22. Okay, so we have 360 equals 360 minus x. When we do this addition, we are supposed to get 121. Okay, cool. So when we simplify, we realize that x will add up to give us 121, because this 360 will cancel this 360, and then x comes to this side. Then we have x to be equal to 121. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 72. It says, what is the value of m in a diagram? This is very simple, right? Because these angles are vertically opposite angles, we can just equate them. Okay, so that means 4m minus 15 is equal to m plus 75. Okay, so when we rearrange, you have 4m minus m should give us 75 plus 15. Cool. So we have 3m to give us 90. When we divide both sides by 3, what do we have? 3 cancels out. Then we have m to be equal to 30. Okay, so our answer is 30, which is B. Okay, cool. I think we'll have to stop here for now. In the next session, we'll move on to question number 73. Thank you so much for joining this session. See you again next time. Bye.